We do have a caller, Amelia from Milledgeville. Hi, Amelia.
Hello, how are you?
What's your question for the lawyers tonight?
Well, I need some advice. My brother, who was a pedestrian, was crossing a major highway and was hit by a vehicle, and 9 days later died. And I need to know, what is my niece's rights? What are their rights?
I think she ought to go see a lawyer. I don't know the full facts of the accident. Typically, a pedestrian is going to have the right-of-way. Was this accident during the daytime or at night?
It was at night.
It was what?
At night.
At night.
At night. That certainly changes things, but I would get her to an attorney, let them investigate the accident, and it may have been that the accident was totally unavoidable, and the car that unfortunately killed your nephew was not responsible for it, but that would be determined by the investigation. And of course, I know the police have been out there and investigated it, and oftentimes probably the skirt team with the state patrol would go out and investigate something like that. But I'm sure I'm sorry to hear about that, but I think they ought to get in to see a lawyer.
And they're not looking out for the niece's best interest. They want to, so a lawyer contact as early as possible so you can talk to the witnesses and figure out if you got an avenue of recovery.
I mean, a lot of the things that you would be looking at are, number one, what was the lighting situation out there? Was it at a crossing? Was the crossing lit? What kind of clothes did they have on? Did the nephew, was it dark? Was it a dart-out situation? I mean, they just many factors.
Yeah, there could have been some obstruction on somebody's property that kept the driver from seeing him.
That's
Lots
right.
of things need to be looked into.
Well, Amelia, we're sorry for your loss, but we hope that this advice will help you in that situation. Screen right now, you see the information for the lawyers that we have with us tonight. If you could not get on the phone lines tonight, you can give them a call at their office on Tuesday. They will be closed tomorrow for Memorial Day, but call them first thing Tuesday at 405-0300 or toll free at 1-800-537-3238. Or you can also visit reynoldsinjurylaw.com.